am doing. The latest that I fired was a general of the armed forces of the Philippines. Duga. Patay na. Wapag kong balibad na. Di po ko mo atras. Mo atras ko, patay ang Pilipino. Ikatuloy na ako, I will talk to the enemies of the state, hoping that we could have maybe a respite sa away ba nga, pertendo kaya na. And I'm still trying. Fourth, inako, I will never interfere in government transaction. Sultihan tamudaan kamong taga Cebu. Pangutana ka magkinsang cabinet member, naman natin, walay transaction sa gobyerno nga kwarta mo abot sa ako. MRT, LRT,